Hey there, friend. Do you feel like you're struggling with traffic and conversions lately? Do you wish it was easier to bring in visitors to your website, even if you're not an expert? Then let me introduce you to Slingshot, the only app that will put any link in front of 122 million buyers with just 2 clicks in a matter of seconds. How is it possible? Well, Slingshot does this by exploiting well-known traffic sources like YouTube for hot buyer traffic. Curious to see how it works? Then let me show it to you in action. To tap into any of these traffic sources, Slingshot provides you with a powerful search engine that scrapes only high-traffic videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. All you have to do is enter your target keyword, select your high-traffic video source, set the number of videos you want to get, and start your search. As you can see here, Slingshot will show you the highest-ranking videos targeting your keyword. There's plenty you can do to generate traffic with these videos, but Slingshot helps you find new traffic generation opportunities and take advantage of some of these videos in 2 ways. First, you can identify videos with expired links to products and offers in their descriptions. You can purchase those expired link domains with your favorite domain registrar and forward the traffic the domain is getting to your own website. This way, you can redirect all traffic from that video to your own products and offers. The second way is by identifying videos with no links in their descriptions. You can get in touch with the creators of these videos and offer them to partner up so they add your links into their descriptions. This is another awesome way to drive quality traffic to any link. What's more, you can build a one-click high-traffic WordPress website with the Slingshot theme, a nice attention-grabbing theme that's designed to keep your visitors engaged, and the Slingshot plugin, a plug-and-play plugin that'll let you publish high-traffic content to your site in seconds. Installing the Slingshot plugin gives you instant access to the video poster, which lets you create high-traffic posts using YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. Using this powerful tool is very easy, and all you have to do is select your preferred video streaming platform, enter a keyword, select your search criteria, set the number of videos you want to show in the results, and fetch your videos. Let me show you how it works by creating a quick post with YouTube. First, I simply have to enter a keyword here. I can also add a channel ID here. This will help you in case you want to scrape videos from a popular channel in your niche. Then I have to select the number of videos I want to retrieve in the results. Alternatively, I can simply enter a series of video codes to directly fetch and use those videos. In this case, I will simply click here to fetch my videos. And there we go. I can now select which videos I want to turn into high-traffic, highly engaging posts for my website. And then I just click here, set or select a category, and then I click here to publish my posts. But that's not all, guys, because you can also increase your traffic and profit opportunities by adding a CTA overlay to your videos. Right before posting, you can customize what is called the Video CTA overlay. This is simply a CTA that is placed over videos in your posts and that visitors have to click over before the video starts playing, sending massive traffic to any link instantly. Here, all you have to do is select the category of the videos you want to add an overlay on, to add your overlay CTA text, to add the URL you want to send traffic to here, to set an overlay color, and to save. An overlay will appear in all videos under your selected category, and everyone watching those videos will be redirected to your page. What's even cooler, you can create and save a unique overlay per category, so you can show different offers depending on the category visitors are looking at your content. Now we are ready to post, so let's post our high-traffic video posts. And as you can see, Slingshot created several high-traffic posts for my website in seconds and with just a few clicks. You can instantly share your new posts to your favorite social channels with one click, and you can edit them to optimize their titles, change their featured images, and to optimize their content. And here, you can also take a look at how the Video CTA overlay looks like. Guys, you are just 2 clicks and a few seconds away from free buyer traffic that runs on autopilot. Are you ready to get started today? Then sign up now before the big guys do.